Welcome to this special Thanksgiving class. Today we're gonna make sweet potato mash, which is very important for the holiday season. So here we have a sweet potato and we're gonna start to peel off like this. In the meantime, we're gonna start to boil in a little bit of water because we're gonna boil in it. This is a good way to make it fast, but also you can roast it if you want. Now, be careful, we're gonna chop it just like that. Doesn't matter how you're gonna chop it because we're gonna blend it after cook it. If you cut it like this, it's gonna be faster for cooking. So now, here we have the boiling water, and we're gonna start to add it here. And now we're gonna cook just between 15 to 20 minutes or until you see that they are ready, like soft. You can check with a fork. In the meantime, we're gonna start to infuse a little bit of ghee with garlic and rosemary. So here we have this ingredient that is gonna be pretty important to add more fat, more flavor. So in this case, instead of using butter, we're gonna use the ghee. So we're gonna melt in the ghee. A low heat because we're gonna infuse with the garlic. So here we have 2 cloves of garlic and a little bit of rosemary. I recommend wash it first and then dry with paper towel. And then pour. Just like that, we're gonna cut it half, like this. And we're gonna put the rosemary too. Now we need to cook on low heat to prevent burn the fat, burn the ghee. We need to wait until you see a brown light color from the garlic and from the rosemary. In this case, we're making just 3 cups of sweet potato, so if you want to make more, you need to add more ghee. Also, if you want, you can add a little bit of coconut milk. I recommend coconut milk. You can use almond or coconut milk, but in this case, we have more fat in the coconut milk. That's why it's a good idea using for this type of preparations. So now the sweet potato is cooked, so you can see that it's pretty soft. And in this step, I recommend wait until cool down a little bit, but not too much because it's gonna be better the consistency if you wait when it's still warm. Not hot, not cold, just warm it. Now, we're gonna add here in a blender. You can use a food processor and we're gonna drain it. We don't need the cooking water. Here we have more or less 3 cups of just the sweet potato. And here we have ready our ghee. And we're gonna start to add little by little with a little bit of salt and ground black pepper. We don't need anything else. You will see, it's gonna be pretty good. I love salt, it's pretty important. So we're gonna add a big pinch of salt and we're gonna start with 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And now, little by little, we're gonna start to add the oil, in this case the ghee. Remember, you need to wait until it's warm. And we're gonna mash like this. Obviously, you can use a potato masher. But if you really like the easy recipes, like me, you can use a blender. We're gonna add a little bit more. And if you have a little bit of the remaining water for cooking the sweet potato, you can add too, or you can add coconut milk until you get beautiful consistency. Voy a checarlo. Look at that. You can see this beautiful consistency. It's pretty soft. And now you can serve as a side for many dishes, or you can use for Thanksgiving. We're gonna finish with a little bit of nuts on top. And oil. And now we are ready to celebrate. Thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving.